Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install RHEL 10.1 on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to RHEL official website. It is redhat.com. Then click on products. See, here we have the Red Hat Enterprise Linux. See, now we have to click on this try it, but instead of going this navigation, I am giving straight link to download. I will keep this link in the video description. Now we have to log in. If you don't have account, click on register for Red Hat account. It is free to register. Okay, so I am logging with my credentials. See here, the latest release is 10.1 and these are the older versions. See here, we have the version from 8.0 to 10.1. 10.1 is the latest one. Click on it. Then see here, we have the different types of images: DVD, boot ISO and guest image and other. Okay, in this video I am going to download and install this RHEL 10.1 binary DVD ISO. Okay, so click on this download now and see here its size is about 9.47 gigabytes. Click on download now. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is about 9.5 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Now click on new or machine and select new to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name. I am giving RHEL 10.1 VM. Name can be anything. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select the location where you have the enough space. Then ISO image, select the downloaded ISO image. See here, I kept it here. So select the ISO image, open it. See, once you selected, OS change it to Linux, OS distribution to Red Hat, OS versions Red Hat 64-bit. Don't select this checkbox, that is proceed with unnetted installation. Then virtual hardware, I am giving 4 gigabytes. Number of CPU equals to. Then virtual hard disk size, I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or select it and click on settings. The only option that I want to change is go to settings, system. Here I am changing this PST mouse to USB tablet. Then click on OK. Then click on start. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is install Red Hat Enterprise Linux 10.1 and hit enter. If cursor is grayed out, just press Alt Control key to release the cursor. Now select the language and click on continue. See here, the beginning station is grayed out. Why? Because the options that are marked with red color are highlighted, must be filled or configured. So select the installation destination. I am okay with the default, so click on done. Then root account. See, root account is disabled and also no user will be created. So I am going to enable root account and creating the user. Okay, so click on your root account, enable it. Then we have to set the password for this root account. Then allow root SSH login with password. It is up to you. Then click on done. User creation. I am giving user full name as R2 schools. Add administrative privileges to this user account. Require password. Now set the password for this user as well. Then click on done. See, now we are able to click on begin installation and also see here software selection. See, in base environment we have server with GUI, server, minimal install, workstation, custom operating system and virtualization. Whatever you want you can select. Okay, based on this selection, these additional softwares will be changed. Okay, optionally you can select any one of these. Okay, I am going with server with GUI. It is up to you, whatever the base environment. If you want you can select, then click on done. Now time and date, See, this is the time zone. If you want change, select from this drop down and select the city. Okay, and see here automatic date and time or manual date and time. It is up to you. Then click on done. Language support keyboard. Remaining I am going with the defaults. Okay, review the settings one more time. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on begin installation. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I'm going to pause this video, and then it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Now click on reboot system. Click on username and provide the password that we have set for this user. See the message, system not registered. Okay, we will register later. Now open terminal. See, font size is too low, so increase the font size. Go to these three horizontal bars, preferences, then select the font from this list, then select the palette from this list, then custom font, turn off this one, then select the font. Now verify the version more /etc os-release. See, we have installed 10.1. Q to quit, control it. Now update the packages. Sudo dnf update & sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of the sudo user. Hit enter. We have to register with this subscription manager. Open a browser. See, default web browser comes with RHEL 10 is Firefox. Open it. Subscription manager. Then register. Search for this in Google or any search engine. See, this is the command. So copy up to here. Then go to terminal, control L, paste it. Then username is whatever the user or email that you registered with RedHat account. Then -- password. You have to provide password. I am hiding this one. We have to run this with sudo. So give sudo, then provide the password. See, registration successful. Okay, see, registered. System name is, this is a system name because this is the local host. If you have some other, then it will show here. Okay, now control L. Now update the packages again. Sudo dnf update & sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter. See, it is going to install 5 packages and upgrading 105 packages. Type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install RHEL 10.1 on VirtualBox. Okay, for more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.